Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the problem. Open File Explorer and view C, used versus free space to see the scale. Once done, run disk cleanup and choose Cleanup System Files to remove Windows Update caches and temp items. Make sure to uninstall big, unused applications in Settings apps. You free the most space quickly. As you act, note large folders so you can target them next. This avoids blind deletions and reduces the chance of breaking programs. Now you go deeper. Enable Storage Sense or run a detailed scan with Cleanger/SageSet to remove old thumbnails, recycle bin contents, and delivery optimization files. Once you know which folders hog space with a tool like WinDirestat, move large media and archives to an external drive or to D. To free C. Make sure program data stays where apps expect it. For heavy apps, change install locations or use symbolic links so Windows and programs keep working. To finish, adjust system files. If you understand the trade-offs, reduce or move the page file and disable hibernation to remove hyperfill. That frees GB quickly. Once done, run SFC and DISM to repair any corrupted system files. This prevents errors from aggressive deletions. If you still lack space, clone C to a larger SSD and expand the partition. Troubleshooting tip: if programs misbehave after moves, restore from your list of changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.